Can you guys comment though? A good holding gel.
From you wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the thing, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? I am about to go out in a bit. I wanted to start getting ready early, and I wanted to show you guys how I did my hair. For today's hairstyle, I'm going for a middle part low textured bun. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair. So we're starting off from moisturized braids. I like to do my hair, especially my buns or my sleek hairstyles, on freshly, wow, what am I saying, no, unstretched moisturized hair. So I've been wearing these braids for about, I think it's 3 days. You guys would have seen the week in my hair. I think the week in my hair video would have come first. So I'm going to be using the Blue Magic Originals Castor Oil Grease. I haven't leave-in conditioner in my hair. I use the Blue Magic Argan Oil. And you guys know the hair is going into a ponytail. Boom, shake, shake, boom, shake, shake. Wednesday. On the beautiful Saturday, Razor decided to go for a sleek low bun that she will be doing or posting a tutorial on. I'm not sure, but I already showed you guys what I used to moisturize my braids in that video. So we have the braids. If I'm sweating, you know the vibes. It's hot summer day bout. Oh my gosh, melting. So as I said, these have been in for a while. I'm going to unravel, and then we're going to work with stretched hair. Okay, so let me unravel. I'm gonna put it all up so I won't get overwhelmed and unravel that way. Am I the only one who does this? I like to just put it away and take one by one step at a time, always through everything in life, you know. And we're going for a textured bun, so I'm not going to mess with my hair too much as I unravel because I want that textured look in the bun. So this is the first braid, but I am going to separate the braids a little bit. So we have this. I'm gonna separate onto the next one. So the hair is moisturized. You guys know my moisturizing routine. Unravel and separate. See, the hair is soft. Love it. So anyway, guys, let me turn on the fan and come back to you guys. The unraveling is done. Hair is huge. First off, we're going to go ahead and make sure the part is straight. I've been rocking middle parts a lot these days. I don't know why, but does this look straight enough to y'all? I can't see. Is it straight enough? It was straight when I did it. I think we can work with this. Put this hair away because we're going to work on this side first. So spray bottle should always be on deck, right? We're gonna spray, focusing on the top of the hair because that's where we're going to apply the gel. And I'm gonna twist this up, just a loose twist so that my hair won't start reverting. Okay, I'm going to use my gel. I've used this a couple times on my channel before. I'm gonna need a generous amount. We're gonna start putting that on the edges, then work the product through my hair. Well, not through my hair, but towards the back. This doesn't give a strong hold, and it's more so on the natural side. So it contains olive oil, argan oil, and panthenol. But I'm going to apply a edge control, mostly on my edges or on top of the hair to keep it even more sleek. And you know we have to tie it down. Gel is on the hair, and I'm going to just swing the hair to the back and apply some more ponytail holder on the hair to put it away so it can start forming in the direction that it's supposed to go. All right, let's move on to this side. So the same steps: spritz, spritz, spritz. Switch that water. Can you guys comment though? A good holding gel. I mean, I don't mind the gels with the soft touch and soft hold, but sometimes I need a gel that can hold me down, and this has been my cry for a while. I guess because of the humidity, gels just don't be gelling. But this gel also doesn't mix well with other products, especially if you have a lot of products underneath. I also like to drag a little bit of the gel down the hair, but the hair is soft. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side now. So you guys see how the hair is less puffy now. It's all tamed. That's why I like to work on stretched hair versus freshly washed hair, because that makes it a bit hard. Now we're going to start brushing. Again, one side at a time. I'm using a boar bristle brush, and I like to change the directions of the brush because this isn't the hardest bristle brush, and my hair is soft, so it kind of makes it a little difficult, but I'm adding more gel. I'm washing my hair soon. I only apply a lot of gel if I know I'm going to wash my hair soon, because I usually don't have this hairstyle in for a long time. I'm going to leave out the hair in the front. Pull out the hair from the other side, apply more gel, and brush. Okay, now I'm going to turn to the back. I usually wrap my ponytail holders around 2 times, 3 times the most. This one is worn out, so I may wrap it around more times, but gather all the hair, try to have as less humps as possible. Now is where I really have to shape and mold my hair. So I like to drag this part in the front more downwards, then this piece right here a little swoop. Let's work on the twirls. So just twirl it around. Do the same thing for the other side. I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're Here's about as sleek as I'm going to get it right now. To help with that, we have this scarf. I'm gonna tie my hair down above the ears. Make it as tight as I can without getting a headache, and tight to the front. We're gonna leave this on for a good bit. Okay, so now I have the back, and it's just curly right now. So what I like to do, because we're going to do a bun, the textured bun I told you guys about, is get a rubber band. So 1 minute. So here's what we're going to do. Smooth my hair down towards the ends. We're going to apply the band on the ends, right? And we're going to tuck the ends of my hair under my ponytail holder. That's how we got the shell-shaped bun. And prior, I applied edge control on my edges. That's what was in the red packaging, edge control. And we are done. Now I'm going to let my hair set for a bit, do my makeup, get dressed, and show you guys the end results in a bit. See you soon.